It is not summer without a backyard bash, but it may be time to toss those old cookout tools for some fresh new flair. And here to give us this try on Try It Tuesday is our fun and always loving having our gadget queen here, Christina Daves. Welcome back.
Hi, kid. Okay, these are so cool. So check this out.
Yeah.
This is a chillable serving tray. How gorgeous is this?
Beautiful.
Put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. It can stay out in the hot sun for an hour and a half.
Because
Keep
we've
your food cold.
all been to those parties where you look at the platter, you're like, I'm not touching that.
Right.
Brilliant.
Isn't that
I love
great?
it.
And it's so pretty. And they put these handles on.
Excellent.
Yes.
And it looks nice too.
Yes. And this is by SEASTONES, and
Okay.
it's handmade in New Hampshire.
All right.
So made in the USA.
By the way, we have 7 gadgets and things that we're going to go through. That's number 1. Number 2.
Number 2. So this is a compact swivel.
Nice.
Cheese board and tapas. So you get the bowls. These are your knives that come right out. So you've got your knives here, and then you just, you put your things in.
So nice.
Doesn't it look great?
So cute. I love how the crackers sit right here.
Yep. You can get this from Uncommon Goods.
Okay.
Okay, these, I like my wine.
I.
So this is Bar Freeze by Host.
All right.
So you can see in here, there's gel.
Uh-huh.
So when you put it in the freezer, it freezes. Oh, that actually has wine in it.
Oh, perfect.
I forgot. Yeah, here's some whiskey and some wine.
Now do I want whiskey or wine? What do I want here?
But it keeps your drink cold for an hour and a half.
Which is like the biggest problem, especially in these hot summers.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with the whiskey today.
He's having a little whiskey this morning.
And it's ice cold.
Yeah.
That's the way you drink whiskey.
Yes,
I see a
great.
raw chicken breast here.
Right, so you're having your guests over, you're having fun. Who wants to touch raw chicken?
Yes.
Ugh. This is so cool. Rapid slicer. So you put your chicken in here, and it's got feet on the bottom, so you see it doesn't move, and you can just cut your chicken right in half.
You're kidding me.
Look at that.
Look at that, and you never have to touch the chicken
You never have
once.
to touch the chicken. Isn't that great?
So nice.
Yep. So then you just take your fork and you're done.
Okay, up next.
Okay, do you use charcoal grills?
Yes.
Okay, you are gonna love this. So this is quick fire.
Yeah.
It's a fire starter, non-toxic, you can use it on food, and it will burn if it's raining. So let's say you want to cook it, so let's do a little test.
So
Feel free to, here we go. We're gonna burn in water.
Now how, just start it like
Just start
that?
it right there.
No.
Yeah, you're done. Oh, a little bit.
Hang on.
Just
Pretty incredible though. It's not often we start things on fire in water. There we go.
There it is. Look.
And so you're camping or even outdoor
You're camping,
barbecuing.
right? And it will heat your charcoals in 5 minutes.
Okay.
And it comes in a 50-pack like this, or you can get a 12-pack like that.
Excellent.
Isn't that great? Hopefully we don't set the fire.
Yeah, maybe we'll just put that
Yeah.
out right now. All right,
There we go.
Perfect. I'm always worried about that stuff. Okay.
Next up, my flip fork.
Yeah.
This is a 5-in-1 grilling tool. So you have the spatula, you have to tenderize your meat, you have a knife here, you have a fork, so you can cut and see if things are done.
Yep.
And you have the beer
Also
opener.
a bottle opener. A little bit of everything.
Isn't that great?
So easy.
And then end of the day, you got to clean.
Yeah.
So
no
this
one likes
is
to do that.
by Chargon. You can get this on Amazon. You see how it's
Yeah.
done. So you just go like this, spin it
Super.
around, and it'll get all the gunk off.
Well, and
your
it's
grill.
not the ones that like my dad has at home that are all messed up, and I don't think
Yeah.
they do anything but spread everything
Right,
around.
right. No, this actually scrapes it off and gets it done.
Awesome. So, if people want to know more on everything you talked about here, they can go to your website.
Yep, ChristinaDaves.com. And yeah, we'll link to all of this stuff. And the fire starters are on Amazon too. So I want to make sure, because this is super cool product.
Yeah, very cool.
Yes.
Back to this
the
ice cold
here.
whiskey and wine. It's countdown to the 4th of July.